Hello mga sangkay! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video mga sangkay, politics muna tayo. Dito muna tayo, no? Gaya ng sinasabi ko, nag-upload ako ng politics at saka dun sa Kalingap, pinaghahalo ko lamang po. So ngayon, politics ang aking upload, no? Sa aking mga followers dyan, muli kong ipaalala sa inyo na ang politics po ay wag natin masyadong seryosohin kung meron tayong mga kuro-kuro patungkol dito, no. May kanya-kanya tayong opinion, may kanya-kanya tayong gusto. Irespeto natin ang bawat isa. Irerespeto ko yung opinion ninyo, yung gusto ninyo, kung sinong gusto ninyo. Irespeto niyo rin po kung sino yung gusto ko, no, at yung opinion ko. So, wala tayong dito, wala tayong pagtatalunan dito. Basta lamang tayo dito. Kung ano yung gusto ninyo, pwede kayong mag-komento dyan. Tatanggapin ko po yun, yung komento ninyo dyan. Basta wag lang makikipag-away, no? So, ngayon, no, meron tayong videos, no, na nakalap, no, na kumakalat ngayon sa TikTok, sa Facebook, meron na rin dito sa YouTube, no. Ito'y patungkol sa pakikipag-usap ni Martin Romualdez at saka ni Zaldico sa isang sundalo, no. May kinalaman ito doon sa BICAM. Ang kanilang pinag-uusapan dito ay bilyon na pera, no. Hindi natin alam kung ano ito, kung ano nga ba itong kanilang pinag-uusapan na ito, pero ayaw kong magsalita, no. Panoorin ninyo itong video na ito, kayo na ang humusga. Kasi pera ang pinag-uusapan nila dito. Kayo na ang humusga, kayo na ang maniwala kung ito nga ba ay totoo o hindi, itong video na ito. Basta sa akin lamang po, no, i-share ko lamang ito kasi nakita ko ito dun sa, marami na, kumakalat na kasi itong video na ito. So tara mga sangkay, panoorin natin.
With our chair for APRO and our APRO bicameral members.
Hi, Chief Romy.
Please kindly convey to the entire AFP, to our men and women in uniform, that as we committed, that the subsistence daily allowance from 150 to 350 has not only been affirmed but has been approved and is being signed right now, and we will ratify the bicameral report this afternoon. So please tell them that whatever they heard, that's all fake news. Basta nagsalita tayo when we speak. I as a speaker in the House, when we speak, we mean it and we will always deliver. You are top priority, sir. Please tell the men and women in the AFP, top priority po kayo, and we are fully committed to support all of you and to keep your morale high and to always take care of you. Please convey that.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Mabuhay ang AFP. Mabuhay kayo lahat.
Salamat, sir.
Okay.
I will relate this, sir, to the troops on the ground, and then I will include this in my speech during the AFP.
So that is signed here in the BICAM. It will be ratified tonight in the plenary. We will ratify the budget on Wednesday, and the president will sign it into law. That is as good as gold. So I just wanted to allay any fears that there was anything other than what we had committed in Zambales to you and to the troops. Mabuhay.
Maraming salamat po, sir. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
We look forward to our fellowship on the 13th at Aguinaldo.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Mabuhay. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you.
Merry Christmas, sir.
Thank you.
Magandang regalo ito sa mga sundalo, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them.
Yes, sir.
We assure them more for next year as well. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Salamat po. Salamat.
Thank you.
Sir, salamat. Thank you.
Hi. Yeah.
Sir.
How are you?
Magandang hapon. Okay naman po, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Tanggap po kami lahat, yes.
We have good news. Kinuwento ko sa iyo kanina, we just finished signing the bicameral conference with the senators and congressmen. pasok yung sinabi ko sa when we meet last week, no, sa Misibis.
Opo, sir.
Okay, naipasok lahat, additional of 8 billion. Nauna yung 8 billion sa HGAB. Now, naipasok ulit namin another 8 billion. That's 16 billion. So, total yung buong 350 pesos na...
So,
Yeah.
Can I take a video of you, sir?
Sure.
Yes, sir. I can show it to the staff, sir, as the personnel when I talk to them next on the 14th, on the Saturday, sir. Thank you.
No
Yes, sir.
problem. Maganda yan malaman ng mga staff na we are taking care as per instruction by our speaker, instruction by the president. Ano yan? Maganda yan na malaman ikaw sa Solcom, you have to malaman ng mga troops natin. And actually we'll see you on Friday. Are you coming sa Dadating ka ba sa
Yes,
Friday?
sir.
Oh, December 13.
Yes, sir.
Doon din ang formal natin. Oh.
Opo, sir, sa evening na siguro, sir.
Evening. Kung dadating si speaker. Speaker kami ulit na dalawa. So we'll inform you on that. So, hopefully, ma-approve ngayon sa plenary for ratification yung pinirma ng BICAM. Sa Senate, they will also approve it also this afternoon. Para yung 7.5 na nare-receive ng CAFCO, magkakaroon sila more or less dagdag na 10,500. So, that's more than double of their salary.
Yes, sir.
So, please, okay, na-inform din namin kanina si Chief Browner, but I want to inform you mismo diretso kasi tayo nag-usap nun sa Misibis and we announced it that na we'll make sure na an additional of 8 billion on the BICAM. Thank God na we're successful tayo na naipasok natin ito sa kasundaluhan. So, please inform our soldiers na natuloy and then the president will approve the budget more or less December 20. So once approve yan, starting next year meron ng allocation ng ating mga kasundaluhan ng 350 pesos a day na subsistence allowance.
Maraming salamat po, sir. Makakarating po, sir. I'll show the video to all our staff and the mga sundalo po dito sa Solcom, sir.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po, sir.
Thank you for your service. Kami here to support the AFP, the military in uniform. So, yung mga black propaganda dyan na we are close with the left, hindi totoo yan. Gawa-gawa nila yan para lang, alam mo na, yung mga budol-budol dyan. So, anyway, that's it. We're successful and thank God na tuloy to. Yeah.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you
Sir,
rin.
do you have, can we request a short Christmas message sa ating mga tao, sir, sa mga personnel natin, sa mga tropa?
Oh, yeah, sure. To all our soldiers in the ground, you have Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Dahil dito sa subsistence allowance, this would be the legacy of the BBM administration under the leadership of the House Speaker Martin Romualdez, and we appreciate your service to the nation. Lahat na tulong ninyo sa pagdepensa sa ating bansa, sa ating sovereignty, sa ating peace and order. Kinikilala po ng leadership ng House of Representatives Speaker Martin Romualdez ang inyong tulong sa ating mga kababayan, sa ating buong bansa. Kaya kami nagpapasalamat, and we know matagal na itong badly needed, but we just heard it last August kay Chief Browner na kung pwede maipasok. So right there and then hinabol natin to sa HGAB, then now additional of another 8 billion, naging 16 billion. So again, congratulations sa inyong lahat, and hopefully sumaya ang inyong Pasko and sumaya ang inyong New Year, and hopefully the life of each soldier will have an improvement. Thank you.
Definitely, sir. Sir, maraming salamat po, sir. Stay
Thank
safe,
you.
sir.
Thank
At
you.
Merry Christmas din po, sir, from your family dito sa Southern Luzon.
Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Sige.
Thank you, sir.
See you.
Opo, sir.
Bye.